Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. If you like tech and you're new, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and get notified for more videos just like this. Well, a couple of weeks back, I did review the Letsfit T13 earbuds from Letsfit. Well, I saw that they actually had another product that was cool and it was pretty inexpensive. It's called the Smartwatch. Letsfit Smartwatch. It says right here, Your Health Tracker, and it's pretty cool because it does offer the transparency app, also offering you different color options as well. So I want to go ahead and show you really quickly some of the options that it offered on Amazon because I thought it was actually pretty cool. So a lot of reviews on here, guys. There's 7,000 right there. 1.3 inch touchscreen. It has an IP68 waterproof rating, which means you could put this underwater, guys, and swim with it for about 30 minutes of time because of that IP68 waterproofing rating there. As you can see, it does offer 30 to 40 days standby time or 10 days usage. So if you're using it, it says straight on, it's going to give you 10 days, but it says it's offering an outstanding battery life and built with a 210 milliamp hour battery, which will get you charging in just it gives you 2.5 hours you'll get charged. So, and then this is actually, you can apply a 10% off coupon at checkout right here, and you'll get that a lot cheaper, guys. So I just want to show you like some of the features real quick on this smartwatch, and let's just take a look at it really quick. So if you guys are new, make sure you hit the bell icon if you're enjoying the video so far. But I got the knife right here. Make sure you stay locked in with me and watch the video to the end, because you definitely want to check out some of the cool features that this thing is going to provide. I think it's going to be sick. So let's go ahead and pop the top off, and that actually looks pretty nice. It looks really cool. So let's just take a look at it says accessories inside the box. So this is what the watch looks like, guys, and it's a nice emerald green, kind of a metal green color, so you can see that right there. That's how it looks. On the back of it, it does offer you a heart rate sensor as well as a charging connector, and you can see the straps are like, gives you that medical powdery feel, so it's not gonna rip your wrist. Just go ahead and see what this has to offer. It says you get a function button, press to return, please charge to activate the watch before use. This is a warranty right here. You can also take off the wristband right here and reattach it. So it does give you that option as well. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is you could scan this option right here where it has the app. So we're going to go ahead and see, yep, you get that magnetic one. I don't think I've ever owned a smartwatch that was completely waterproof, so that's actually going to be pretty nuts. That magnet on the charge is really strong, so that just like goes right onto there, and it has a really strong magnet. So that says it's charging. You just see something. I just saw the screen start to turn on. Okay, that's the battery symbol. Let's put this right down here, and it looks like the watch is almost fully charged, that I know. So let's see, the Android one is right there, and it's really easy, guys. Now it's taking me to the Google Play Store, VeryFitPro. So we got this app right here called VeryFitPro. This is your button right here. So let's click that. So it turns the watch on and off. When I swipe down, I got this messaging feature. It looks like you can swipe to use this interface, guys. So I swiped up and I was able to get steps. Now I'm swiping up and I'm able to get calories, heartbeat, and total week. But there's probably a lot of features that I'm missing. I long held here and I can get to different actual clocks. So you get these different clocks to choose from right here. You can swipe to the left and then swipe to another time here, and you get other modes like function off, D&D enabled, so you have do not disturb. You can have heart rate automatically on, or flick wrist to turn the screen on. So let's just go ahead and map this thing to my watch right here, and it says use now. So let's go ahead and agree and use all the time. So now it says pairing device required. So is the device is right here. Let's select it, and right now it's actually going to be paired to this device as well. So confirm and bind. Now it says the bind is connected, so now you can just hit male or female, click continue. You enter your birth date as well, so we'll just enter that in, enter your height and everything like that, and we could do that as well. Then then enter your weight in kilograms. I'm not even sure, I know it in pounds what my weight is, but let's just put like 190. And then now let's take a look at some of the different options here. Put the watch on really quickly on my wrist so you can kind of see what it looks like. And it's really easy to fit. It has a nice buckle here, and you just snap it on. You can feel a smooth silicone material, and then when you snap your wrist, it automatically turns on. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this smartwatch from Letsfit. I think it has a lot of cool features with it, but in the comment section down below, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it so far. I think this color is really cool. I also think it's cool because you don't have to take it off if you're gonna take a shower or something like that. You could easily just keep this on as well. If you're gonna do sports, you can loosen it a little bit so it's like 2 fingers can fit underneath, so that it's not gonna be choking your wrist. So keep it looser when you're doing like activities, so that way you allow sweat to pass through the wrist part and it doesn't grip on your wrist. But when you're just normally hanging out, it should be fine. But I'm actually liking this watch so far. As far as the music controls, it did have like a music control syncing mode. Now it does have right here relax, which offers you 1 minute and 2 minutes, so you can change that between 1 and 2 minutes. So it says please calm down, and then it has a countdown on here. So it says inhale right now. I think that's pretty cool. Exhale, and it like vibrates as you're doing it. And then inhale, it says. Okay, that's cool. How do we get out of that? Confirm that the end of this relax session. Okay, so you can get your heart rate. You got your sports modes as well. Or you just click this to go back. Alarm, sports, walk or run. And then you could just return to the home menu, guys. So this is a really nice, awesome smartwatch, especially with when you pair it along with the earbuds with Letsfit as well. So I think this is a cool kind of deal here. You're getting some really good headphones for really like less than 20 bucks. And then the smartwatch is literally like 20 bucks when you enter in the 10 off coupon code. And then, you know, you could swim in this, you can take showers in it. So I think that's actually a really good thing about it. But let me know in the comment section down below what you think about the Letsfit smartwatch. It's basically a health tracker, guys. You could monitor your sports and activities with it, and basically, you know, track your health and also your sleep as well. I also think it's pretty cool because you get call alerts and different reminders here. You can also control music. It has control music setting where you can turn that on, and now you can control your Spotify or SoundCloud or whatever you have downloaded to your phone. So I have that turned on right now. And then you just press connect it, and then it's actually connected. You have to hit the button at the top and it'll connect. So it tells you the battery remaining here. At the very top, it says 88% on here. And it tells you the app version as well as everything else on here. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much what I wanted to go over. But let me know down below in the comment section what you think about the Letsfit smartwatch, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you guys are, have a good night, afternoon, and I'll check you guys out on the next video. But if you found this video helpful in any way possible, definitely hit the like button, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.